A quick one here on nat gas, coal, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. One ATR is something I'm expecting for the price to head to, and that is something I'm expecting for the price to push up to. Looking at this bullish engulfer, swing low, bullish engulfer, we can see a possible push up. You can also manage your targets. Nice one. So as you can see, price did push up and one ATR was hit right here. As you can see, the ATR of this candle is 6. It pushed up 6, and after that price fails to break above 20 EMA and pushes back down. So first target has been hit, but the second target is still there, and let's see how this goes. Now as we are still above the trend line, and as you can see all the way from here we have this trend line support, and this could be supported here as well. Now all I want to see a next candle. If the next candle turns out to be a bullish engulfer, that could be a buy signal. Now, I don't take these type of entries from the trend line, but if you are someone who uses trend line for your entries, it can react as well. Looking at the previous push up from the trend line, that is why I'm still looking at the trend support. If we have a bullish engulfer in general, that would be a bullish signal and price can likely to push up from here. So that is what I'll be looking at. Could be a fake out here as well. That's why beware of that. If there is a fake out or not, that is why a next candle for a confirmation is a must. Because sometimes the price goes down and then pushes back up and continue to push up in a trend. So very important to see how the next candle closes back up or not. I will only go short here on this platform once we have some more momentum, close, then a pullback and a bearish engulfing pattern. So that is all I'll be looking at here on this platform. So on this platform we have a trend support right here, rejection from here. And if you're looking at on capital.com, we are in the level of support as well. We have a triple bottom right here that can still push the price high. Remember, we are still bullish long term. I've been mentioning that from last couple of months. Looking at on a daily time frame, we are still bullish long term. That is why we can still see some sort of pullback and a continuation. Now, if this trend line is not respected, I'm still looking at this level of support below. A very good level, which is 2.731, goes to 2.834. From where we can start to look for the buy condition, looking at 50 EMA support as well, and a level of support that was recently broken that can still push the price high. Looking at this bearish candle here and looking at a bearish double top engulfer on NEMEX, we can still have a chance the price can push down to this level. Short-term selling pressure, short-term sell trade before the price will push up. So that is something for the long-term traders as well to keep an eye and watch that level closely, as it is an area from where we can see a possible push up. So triple bottom here. So let's see how it goes. I can still look for the sell trades short term. If we have a pullback, a nice pullback below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfing pattern. If I have that, I will go for the little scalp, go short, exit here. And for the sell continuation in the long term, it must break below this low. The price must break below this low for the sell continuation. But for the short term, I will still go for the short trade if we have a bearish condition here. Let's see how this can close. If you have a red and green bigger engulfer, that will be a strong signal that price is going to push back up from here. On NEMEX as well, this level below, right here, as you can see the numbers in blue, and this level in green is an area that was recently broken and also a level of major support, a trend continuation support. Looking at this double top pattern, we have a chance the price will push down. In the long term, if you remember my previous videos, I've said that double top bearish candle is here. We have a divergence here. We have a bearish pressure. That is why we can see some good pullbacks before the price will push up from here. And in the short term, on a smaller time frame, we also managed to take this trade, which is right here. ATR of this candle is 7. If you look here from the ruler tool, right here, the price pushed up 7 ATR, 180.70 point, which is good to take your good scalp out of the market. And here on Owanda, that was also sent as an alert to my members yesterday. Right here, all the way from here, 1 ATR has been hit here. So that is something we're going to look for the short term if you're looking at for your trading, a day trading on a smaller time frame. So keep an eye. Let's see how this goes. Keep an eye on the bullish engulfers and keep an eye on this zone as well. Wherever you get a condition, we are good to go for our trades. For sell condition, just look for break below, pullback, bearish engulfer. For the buy trades, look for the buy bullish engulfer right here. I know that's below 50 EMA, but I'm just looking at the trend support that has previously been reacting nicely. If you're looking at a price below 50 EMA, pullback entry bearish is something I'll be still looking at for my possible sell entry short term. NEMEX here. So look at these levels. I've just mentioned on NEMEX, we have this level on capital.com right here, these levels in blue. You need to mark these on your charts, a level of support. And on Owanda, we have a level right here. Major level is right here, the numbers in blue. If the price dramatically fall, I'll be looking at this level for the possible buy entries. Next up, we have gold. It's nicely pushing down out of this bearish candle. If you remember yesterday, I've said that if this candle turns out to be a bearish candle, that can still push the price lower. We had an entry on silver, a valid entry, which we're going to go next very shortly as we have broken below the previous lows. Very likely chance we can see a possible pullback, retracement, bearish engulfer, and we're going to keep on taking shots till we are in the zone below right here, which is 2608 goes up to 2622.38, from where we can get a possible bounce, then a fall. As it is not a major level, so I'm expecting a bounce and a scalp from here. Exit your trade, look for the 180 target, cut your profits, and then in the long run, I'll be looking at this level below, which is quite far, but it is something I'll be looking at for my next reversal trade. For now, look for these levels for your buy trade and sell trade below 50 EMA, followed by bearish engulfing pattern. Here on silver, both target 1 and target 2 has been hit. That was set in my yesterday's live session with my members, which I'm going to leave it for the weekend's video. We have set these targets when the price was here. Nice bearish engulfer, and that was also mentioned in my yesterday's video. Let me show you the clip from my last video. And that is a valid bearish engulfing pattern. Looking at that, if that turns out to be a bearish engulfer pullback, bearish cross, bearish engulfer, and looking at that, that will be a valid bearish signal that can push the price lower. 180R will be my target if that turns out to be a bearish engulfer, and then you can manage your trades to 280R or to this zone. That's totally up to you. Perfect. So you see nicely pushing down, hitting 180R as well. Right here, ADR is 26 cents. 26 cents target has been hit. And the bigger target, if you want to manage a better reward to risk ratio, which is something like this, a bigger target has also been hit, which is 1.4 to 1 according to these numbers. So for now, we are getting a pullback again, and I'll be looking at this level below for silver. 29.70 goes to 30.07, a level from where I want to enter my buy trades, a scalp, bullish engulfers, or double bottom entry pattern, as this level has been reacting nicely in the past. That is why I'll be looking for a quick scalp from this area. In the long run, we are still bearish. Remember, on a daily time frame, we have a head and shoulder pattern formed already, and if we have broken and closed below this yellow zone, then the price of silver will crash to the next level of support. So that is why very crucial here, look for your buy trade, quick scalp, exit, and look for your next entry condition. For now, I'm just looking for bearish trades only. If we have one more bearish engulfer below 50 EMA after a good retracement, I'm gonna go short again till here, buy trades from here, quick scalp, exit from here. Keep an eye and look for your entry conditions. Last one, we have crude oil. Has broken below 50 EMA. Now, when I say there is no condition, means there is no entry. Do you see any condition, a pullback entry above 50 EMA? Yes, we were looking at a pullback entry above 50 EMA, and we have no entry confirmation. Now, if you say that is a valid bullish engulfer, it is not. It invalidates one of my entry rule, so we are not taking it as an entry. And price just broke below 50 EMA. Now let's see how it goes. I'm expecting just a range out of crude oil for a couple of days now. Look for some more momentum below 50 EMA and then start to look for your bearish trades only. Bearish pullback entry only till the price come back to the zone below, which is right in the green zone. 66.88 goes down to 65.35, from where we can start to look for the buy condition. For now, just sell trades as we are now broken below 50 EMA. Some more momentum is required to look for your good bearish engulfing pattern, same like we had on silver. So keep an eye here, bearish trades only. Since we are broken below 50 EMA, buy trades will only happen once we have dramatically broken above 50 EMA and this high as well. So that is it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.